What's up, everyone? Welcome to my motherfucking vlog. I just bought a camera because I want to be a legit vlogger. So guys, I'm going to do the unboxing. Oh my god! Ta-da! I love this camera. Hey! I just got my new camera. This is Canon PowerShot G7X. Girl, I'm gonna start my new vlog. And I'm gonna start it with unboxing my vlogging camera. So, oh my god, Red, don't you know how to open the box? So, we have here the warranty card. No, I need to do like this. Warranty card.
It's upside down.
Oh, it's upside down. Warranty card. And warranty card. No, not this one. Warranty card. And manual. Who needs manual? Not me. Whoa, just kidding. Just kidding, girl. And let's start from the accessories. So this is a wire. And the charger. The charger and the wire. Oh fuck. I'm making a fool of myself. So here's the very tiny battery. Like, you need to put it in a very safe place because it's so tiny. See? And what's this? Cord or whatnot? Oh, whatnot? Cord or whatever. And the most awaited moment of my fucking life. I've been dreaming this for 2 years, guys. By the way, hi, why? My new camera! I need to do it. My new camera.
Okay.
This is the front, of course, obviously, and the back. And you can stretch this out like that, and you can do a selfie. What's up? Like that. Buttercup. Oh, thanks, girl. Like that, Buttercup. Okay. Oh my god, I'm just very excited to use this. So guys, I'm going to do a comparison up here. The cell phone and the camera.
Meron dun sa JB Hi-Fi din. Sabi na video talaga. Nasira
Ala, nahulog. Look. Are you ready? Fucking ready. Oh my god. See, I need to set the time. Who has time for that? Well, skip. Oh my god, girl! Look! Oh fuck! This is it! Oh my god! No, I'm gonna do a selfie. I'll do the automatic. Automatic. Oh no! Oh no. I want video. No! What the heck?
What the heck?
How to take video? No! How to take video?
Manual, who needs manual? Not me.
Tayo mag-ibang. Sige lang.
Okay guys, that's why I can't take video because I need to put the motherfucking SD card. Fuck, I need to filter my language. Because of course I need to cater like high schools, elementary, high school.
Ano oras na maalis Aryan?
Aryan is not going out anymore.
Bakit?
because she had fun. Help! Girl! The SD card. I got Extreme Pro SanDisk 32 gig. I supposed to get the higher one, but it's so expensive. I don't have money for that shit, you know. Well, okay.
Hindi naman yan i-upload ni Red.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck! It has a shutter!
I thought you broke it.
I don't even know it has a shutter. Damn. Okay. Where can I put the SD card? Oh my god, girl! This is perfect! Where's the SD card? Here?
Manual, police manual. Not me.
Here?
Probably inside the battery.
Girl! You're so fucking smart. I love you. It's so hard. Okay. Okay. Let's do the comparison, guys. No time for the shit. Okay. Okay. Wait. I know I can fix this. Trust me.
Manual, police manual. Not me.
Ah, ito pala.
Ang ginagawa.
Ay, pukit eh. I need help. Okay lang. Ikakat natin to. Paano?
Paano siya sa ano?
Is it working already? Oh my god, guys! Look at the quality! I will face in this camera and I'm going to include you in the video as well. Don't worry. Hello guys! So I'm filming now using my G7X. Oh my god, girl! This is... Do you like it?
I do. It's pretty nice, right?
I know, yeah.
I want one.